treatment and not go to prison. I do have a 4-year-old son that I'm fighting for.
All right, so here's the thing. I don't understand why.
Courtroom battle. Roxanne Hutchinson, on probation for a weapons charge, now faces Judge Boyd after a theft violation while fighting to regain her son. Will treatment save her, or will prison await? Let's dive in.
The same Roxanne Hutchinson, who was placed on community supervision in 2024, CR 007949, for the offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon with a felony conviction for 7 years on November 7th, 2024. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
The 19th day of February 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Roxanne Hutchinson committed the offense of theft in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
The state will waive and abandon the remaining violations, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No objections, Your Honor.
The court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty. Grant the motion and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison
Yes, ma'am.
and up to a $2,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to proceed with your violation of condition number 1 in your plea of true?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, and it would involve the following case, which there's plea paperwork before the court for the same defendant.
Yes.
The state probation and believe defense's recommendation is to continue probationer on this probation in cause number 2024 CR 007949, but to amend conditions to now include state ISF cognitive track followed by ISP. And probation did make a note upon disposition of pending cases, the plea paperwork on cause number. Well, I see
She had been reporting previous to that as well.
Right, I'm saying her last reporting is on that date.
All right. So here's my question. Has she done her parenting classes? All right.
Judge,
Did she obtain employment?
Judge, if I may
Yes.
inform the court, she was doing the parenting classes through CPS. She has a CPS plan because she's trying to get her child back through CPS. So she's doing the CPS classes through CPS. She has a CPS plan. So she's going through CPS. So she has a CPS plan. So she's doing her parenting classes through CPS.
All right, so how long has the CPS case been open? Was it open before this case?
Yes, ma'am.
So I don't understand why the court has received the new number 1. She knows she has a CPS case, but she's picking up a new charge and she's not following through with the conditions of the court. I don't understand why I should follow the agreement to continue her.
Judge, I think she wants to
All right,
address the court.
you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Roxanne Hutchinson.
All right, why is the only tangent thing that I see from you is that you're picking up a new charge?
Hey. I know it doesn't reflect in the probation report or whatever, but since then I've kicked heroin. I've been sober for 9 months. I do admit that the issue wasn't me just getting sober. I got sober, but I was still doing the same things that an addict does. I was hanging around the same people. I didn't change my surroundings or my friends. So I continued to do the same things. I'm just asking for a chance to get treatment and not go to prison. I do have a 4-year-old son that I'm fighting for.
All right, so here's the thing. I don't understand why people don't think of their children before they pick up new offenses. I'm not following the agreement that you all have reached on this motion to revoke. I'm going to grant the motion revoke. Does anybody want to speak to time? She's looking at a maximum of 10 years.
Judge, we need to confirm.
All right, sure. All right, yes.
Judge, I'm gonna re-urge the court to consider following the recommendation from probation and what the state originally wanted. Ms. Hutchinson is before the court. She verbalized that she needs help. She's asking the court for help. It's not often that a defendant is before the court and they are asking the court for some help. She is asking for help also with CPS so that she can get help from CPS. It's well known that addicts relapse. That's not uncommon. And that's what happened with her. And because that happened, she picked up other offenses. The state of Texas is willing to give her an opportunity. So I'm re-urging the court to give her that opportunity. She's not asking for you to release her. She's asking you to send her to inpatient treatment so that she can get some help. That's what she's asking. And so I'm re-urging the court to consider that.
All right. The court, as previously stated, is finding violation condition number 1 true, and the court is going to grant the motion to revoke. Does anyone wish to speak to time?
I believe that we will be going open on that. The state understands defendant is facing up to 10 on this MTR. The other case that will be before the court shortly had thoughts. Basically, the state is thinking, we pled true to number 1, you're facing 5 or facing 10, state would ask for around 5, Your Honor.
All right.
Judge, we're asking the court to sentence Ms. Hutchinson to 2 years in TDC.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison. The court will request the therapeutic community. The court will give you a credit for any time served. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, please.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on community supervision. Because it's a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do y'all want to reconsider the plea bargain agreement with the theft case?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor. I will get this done quickly, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, thank you. And have you all changed the plea bargain agreement?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Hutchinson, if you'll come up. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 0055153 State versus Roxanne Hutchinson. Can I have the parties announced for the record, please?
Duffy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Richard Gossett for defense.
And are you Ms. Hutchinson?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, do you understand if the state proves of the repeater enhancement paragraph, then this will be a 3rd-degree felony. The range of punishment will be anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Then she has this charge. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'm sorry, and also the court will find the enhancement true based upon your plea of true and based upon States Exhibits 1 and attachments. Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we're asking the court to follow the recommendation of the ADA and write it concurrent with the motion to revoke.
All right, the court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This is to run concurrently with 2024 CR 007949. And the court will recommend the therapeutic community. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
May the state just confirm that it was 2 cases that were TIC?
Yes, it was 2025 CR 007240 and 2025 PF 2602. I'm sorry, 26020.
If the state may tender to the court.
Yes. Thank you, Judge. Did you review the trial court certification of defendants' rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you.
Yes.
And who is your other client, Bridget?
Adam Keith.
Y'all, Roxanne Hutchinson's plea for treatment fell to a 4-year prison term from Judge Boyd, despite her CPS struggle and sobriety effort. Her tough stance balances hope with accountability. Fair call or too severe? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more courtroom drama